Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you guys are doing really well. Guys, it has been so fun to work with you over email and just get to know some of you guys in the comments. I love working with you guys. I just want to say thank you for being such an amazing community. This has been awesome. All right, let's just dive right into it today, guys. For Matic, this is our 38th for 38th winning trade. I know it's probably hard to believe, but we literally have won 38. We have not lost a single trade on this channel yet. I did this update about, well, let me refresh this because this is saying about 4 hours ago. It was about 16 hours ago, actually. I ended up coming out on YouTube. This is why you guys want to be subscribed here. I called a 50% exit for Matic at $1.37. That was right here. This was literally yesterday, and then it flew up after that. So I called that exit for you guys, and then make sure you guys are subscribed so you do get these updates. This was the call of a 38 for 38 win. So what I'm doing today, guys, is I'm just showing you guys how to manage this. You should be out of this trade. The sell limit did get hit up here at $1.47, which is correlated to the actual metrics we're using over at tradeconfident.io. This is a 14.57% win. Great job for all of you guys who got in here. This is just an amazing trade. Let's go over what's going to happen in the future for Matic. I will be going over the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow, and the trend dashboard. Very quickly, I need to make this clear so you guys, you don't get mad at me so I didn't say anything. The trend exhaustion is going up in price. I will be up in the trend exhaustion for sure. I know I was on the fence there for the last few days, but literally in 14 days, exactly. Actually, exactly. In 14 days, the trend exhaustion will be going up in price. So I want to make that very clear. You guys can go over here. You can go to indicators. You guys can scroll down. Here's the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are going to be going, this is going up for sure. I will be upping all the individual indicators over the next 2 months. The bundle pack, guys, however, is going to stay the same. So this will always have appreciating value if you just get this because these are going to go up. Does that make sense? One of the craziest things you can actually do of appreciating and gaining money on indicators that make you money is by getting the bundle pack, okay? Just want to make that clear so no one gets mad at me that I didn't say anything, all right? Let's go over this, guys. The trend exhaustion, it's pushing up into the top red section here, which is partly why I'm calling this full exit and why this is basically a great place to have a sell limit is because we're pushed up so high. We're also at the quarters theory number and we hit $1.50, okay? So watch how accurate this has been. I want to just point this out to you guys a little bit here and show you how to read this a little bit better, okay? Because I want to do a better job of this on this video, okay? When you guys see this trend exhaustion pushing up to the top section, I want you to pair it with the price versus the well money flow. This is the top section here. These are top sections here, obviously. And then this is the top section as well. We need to look at history of what's happened in the past to help us understand well movements in the future, okay? Honestly, guys, retail traders are not doing these big moves. It's basically hedge funds, wells, institutions, when they have these big candles in here, they're literally I've called these like institution candles before, okay? Big money drops out. Watch this. When the trend exhaustion pushes to the top red section, and when I say top red section, I'm sorry guys, I'm talking about this up here. So that top line and this top line, that's the top red, here's the bottom red, okay? Follow me on this chart. When this got to the top section here, follow these crosshairs, we did see a little bit of an overextension. However, the price versus well money flow, the price is in pink, the money flow is in green. When this got up to a top section up here, that actually ended up calling the high before we saw the drop. The trend exhaustion, however, was looking for a drop around this area. If you guys do not get a drop very close, like literally if you don't get a drop within about 3 to 4 candles based off this metric here and it overextends itself, you really need to watch out because that is actually signaling a faster drop than a move back up. Does that make sense, guys? If you get this to the top red section, please watch this. If it gets to the top red section and it doesn't head down immediately and it starts moving up, this is a hello, do not enter long trades. This is a huge, basically, correction coming. That's how we have seen this call in the past, as well as looking at the well money flow at the top section up here saying, hey, guys, wells don't just hold all the time. They take money out of the market as well. And we can see that money was flowing out of the market here. We even had this little consolidation period where we're trying to, get this flat top here, but you can clearly see if you just come to this indicator and you take off price and you strictly look at the flow of money, this tried to push up here and make a double top. It's not going to go up, guys. The money is literally flowing straight out of the market. So while this is flat, this is showing that the money's flowing straight out, and that's how we ended up getting the drop. That's literally how I'm calling these drops in the market. Follow the money flow and follow the trend exhaustion. Get these on your chart, guys. I promise you won't regret them. Okay, let's go to the next scenario. When this got closer to the top red section, this was also telling us this was probably where the trend is going to be exhausted from moving up. It's exactly what happened when we saw this move back down. Take a look at this over here. We saw that this called the top caught perfectly here before we saw the move back down, which created the higher low formation for this move up. Now, this over here, guys, was like, hey, heads up, we're really high up here. And if that wasn't enough, the money flow was at the top position up here looking to take some profits out. That's what this tells you. When it's up in the top section, this means historically whales are looking to look for sell positions. That's what happened, and it pushed us into the fastest drop literally I have ever seen for Matic in the history of this token, okay? So moving further, it also called the drop over here. When we saw this accumulation up here in these wick values and probably a lot of stop loss hunting going on, this was pushing to the top red section, and this also called this drop. Now, not only does it call drops, but it also calls rise in the market right here. But I'm purposely looking at the tops here so I can show you guys why I'm exiting. We're doing this full exit here. It's because I do expect to see a move down. It's already moved down from where we were at, and that's why you guys are using these indicators on your charts, okay? This now actually comes out with an alert. If you guys want to set up the alert, it's on the product page. If you like, literally, I know this is going to look really crazy for a second, but if you guys literally click over here underneath the trend exhaustion right here, watch the product video, and I'll show you exactly how to set up the alerts on that. Okay, let's stop here. I want to go over the metrics today for Matic and let you guys know where I think this is going to head into the future. And we're actually going to look at what's going on with whales and institutions right now. Get a little bit of a deep dive. If you guys want to get into Matic, sorry, let me start here. Make sure you guys are subscribed. It's just $49 a month, and you get access to all the metrics as well as the trade calls. Come to the front page, scroll down right here, and it's right at the bottom of the first page. You guys need to click into this. Get your next long trade set up, guys. If you guys understand anything of what I literally just said, if this thing sees any type of moves down like it did before, or like it did over here, or even when it got to the top red section up here and we saw a move back down, guys, this thing could be due for a nice drop, and you need to get your long trades ready. Right now is not the time to get in. I do have our next buy limit in here at a very good place, so make sure you guys are watching that. I know this is Bitcoin. Follow me for a second. The Matic chart looks exactly like this. The Matic price structure is in white, and you're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price this morning, okay? 4 buy limits. 25% of your trade allocation goes at each one. $1,000, $250, $250, $250, $250. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set your sell limit up here at the first yellow line above the current price, all right? They're going to update the whole website, all the metrics and live trades update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single morning. If you have questions, just watch this video here. It is super simple to walk through. Let's go over Matic, guys. Take a look at the emotional index today. This is so important that you guys understand how to read this. This will update, like I said, in literally about an hour and 15 minutes. When the market is very anxious and when it is very fearful, every single time you are going to see, like, look at this. See this over here where it got fearful, fearful, fearful. This is where people are selling. How do we know that? Because the market's obviously going down, guys. You do not want to be selling in that area. What are whales and institutions doing? They are accumulating long trades the entire time as the retail traders are selling. This is how they're making their money, and this is what I'm trying to teach you guys with these metrics. If you learn anything from getting your subscription over here, it is to learn how to trade with smart money, whales, and institutions. When I say you guys, retail traders are very anxious in the market, this is where institutions are coming to buy your fear because they're buying all of your fear with a discounted price on their token or their coin, okay? Coins have their own blockchain, tokens don't. That's why the difference between coins and tokens. Okay, if you watch this with fear, anxiety hitting the market here, you can simply see that that's right at the bottom. And then we started seeing a shoot back up. That is exactly where we got into our buy limits. I am using these metrics, guys, to give us all of our buy limits. I'm using all this. I'm using what I've known from 3,000 plus hours of trading. We have very good buy limits on these charts. This strategy is going to require patience. I'm going to say that again, guys. You have to have patience with this strategy. If you have patience, patience will make you wealthy. We've won 38 trades in a row on this channel, okay? So let's take a look at this real quick. Long versus short trades, just want to make this comment real quick. Guys, if you're looking to take a long or short trade today, my honest advice is you don't take either one. Please just come over here, set up your long trade. It's on the front page under live trades up here. Click that, go down to the bottom on the front page and click this right here. Set your 4 buy limits. That's what you guys want to be doing this morning. It is not to be entering long or short trades right now, okay? Obviously, we see that smart money, whales, and institutions, they are accumulating long trades. It's right here, guys. When this metric prints to the top, it's showing the accumulation of long trades in the market. That's what they did, and they're making great money. Now, take a look down here, guys. obviously we pumped up here quite a bit. If we start moving down and the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow does hold true, which it has in the past, like we're already dropping so much even on this video. So good job for those of you guys who exited up there. If you have not exited, exit 100% when you guys do get this video, okay? It'll be a guaranteed win no matter what, because you guys have moved your stop loss right here and you're already exited 50% here. So everyone won it already. I'm just showing this to you guys, okay? We could drop down to this lower section of 111. That's possible. The stronger structure, in my personal opinion, is actually right around this area of about 125 at the quarters theory number. So 125 puts us right around this area. I'll let you guys know, the next buy limit is around this area for Matic, okay? I want to save it for the paying subscribers so you guys know exactly where it is, but make sure all 4 of those buy limits are set up in case we crash really fast here, okay? So let's move down here real quick, and then I want to end this and just give you guys, all you need, and we're going to wrap this up. This is what's called dollar cost average entries. This line comes out when the market is just far overbought, and this is probably one of the best metrics that you guys will ever use to just throw money into the market. I know some of you guys are like, I don't want to use buy limits. It's too much managing. Honestly, guys, we set all of our buy limits and we just let them get hit like a robot. And it literally executes all of our trades for us unless we scale out with the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow. But this indicator here, guys, this metric is going to give you guys great entries at the bottom. Like, I know some of you guys with hundreds of thousands of dollars that I coach, you're literally just throwing in like $10,000 every time you get a green line on the coins you like. Awesome, guys. Well, you did amazing in here and you're writing this up. Now, if you want to take profit, definitely consider doing that. But if you're holding for 5 to 10 years, you got this on a really good discount. This down here, guys, the last metric we're going to go over, and then we'll go over the chart one more time in this video. But this is what's called the exit point. This is going to be very accurate at calling the drops in the market. Now, is it going to be accurate all the time? No, not at all. It's about 80% accurate, and there's going to be about 20 to 25% of the time where it will not call the drop immediately. Now, when it does not call the drop immediately, such as right here and right here, obviously we can see that it called the drop there. This is where you're looking to scale out of your position. The more you guys watch these YouTube videos, like, get the indicators, get your subscription, get into trades, and watch me on the YouTube videos. That is literally, like, here's what you guys need to do. I want to end this right here. Get your subscription for $49 a month. Set your buy limits up for any of the coins that you guys see. Like, literally, I'm going to try to cover the majority of all these on the YouTube channel. If you have questions, just email me. Once you do that, follow me on the YouTube videos, and I will teach you guys how to scale out. Like, it's like entering into a classroom. Get your textbooks, get your indicators, get your subscription, come over and sit down and learn in the classroom of how to trade, okay? I please don't take this as being arrogant or prideful. I'm trying to make a clear stat on this. I don't know another YouTube channel that's won 38 trades in a row. It's not to say there isn't one out there, okay? So please hear me out on that. But the reason why I think we're doing so well, and I'll literally share with you guys testimonials on tomorrow on Friday of how people are doing. It's insane. Like, a guy made $30,000 last week. I had another guy made $4,500. I had a guy make $100,000 last week because we called this drop here. Like, it has been insane. You guys literally can sit down like a classroom environment, watch these YouTube videos, and I'll teach you guys how to trade like we're trading, okay? So that's the full update, guys. Get the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow, the trend dashboard, and make sure you guys have your subscription. Get into some trades right now with those buy limits, not financial advice, but get into some buy limits and follow me on these next trades that are about to come out, and you guys will do fantastic. Great job for winning the 38th for 38th trade on this channel. I'm going to come out with a video with Ethereum right after this. God bless you guys so much. Welcome to the trading classroom. Make sure you guys get everything you need, your books and your materials, indicators and your subscription. Follow me, turn the bell notification on, and let's make some money here, guys. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.